In this video I'll show you one of the shelf lights from IKEA, cabinet lights from IKEA, and I was a bit confused with this one. This is the Ytberg or Ytberg. The light looks pretty nice from this one. I like how it looks like. It's better than the usual lights you might find, and I was trying to see where it is, and this is not the standard light that you might use from the mains power. This needs to have its own power supply, so that might be a problem. But if you're using this as a cabinet light, that's great because you don't have the mains voltage going around between the cabinets. This is running on 24 volts DC, and it will need a power supply for that. The flickering you see is from the light outside, from the ambient light here. I don't know why they always have lights flickering in IKEA. And the reason why you see the flickering light is because I'm recording this in 60 frames per second. And if you want to try this, you can set your phone to record video in 50 or 60 frames per second, and then you see the flickering lights around. Then this is the package, the Ytberg, and you have some information here about the length of the cable and that you need a power supply. And yeah, there's not much information there, but here there is some good information. It's you can dim it, so it is dimmable, and also the color temperature is 2700 Kelvin, so it's warm light, warm white, 1.5 watts, 120 lumens, CRI 90 plus, 90 and above. All the lights in IKEA are CRI 90 and above, and it would be nice if they have in IKEA lights that are CRI 96 or 97 plus. So they should have a special line of ultra good quality lights. This is how they look like. I believe they look pretty good for cabinet lights, and they do run on 24 volts DC, so it is pretty safe to handle them. Nothing would really happen. I mean, it's still better to be careful with this, but the wires are not mains voltage, mains power 240 volts or 110 volts in America. I think it's 110. There is also this model, the Tvardrag and Ytberg. Other than the shape, only difference I see is the wattage is the same, but it's 130 lumen for the Tvardrag and 120 lumen for the Ytberg. I guess because it's bigger and it can give lights easier. I don't know. Thanks for watching.